Alrighty, what you got?
Another sneak attack.
They've never worked in the past, have they?
No.
How about plan B?
You know what this would mean.
Let's try it.
It's the
Just look at him, sweetheart. Don't need to show everybody what you got. Let's see what you got.
Pokemon trainers, here you see Pikachu.
Ooh.
Parasitic Pokemon of the century.
Just a minute. Technically, Diglett is not a bug Pokemon. As a matter of
Just look at him.
Yeah, just look at him.
Enjoy them. They're for you.
8 inches and a weight of 2 pounds, they're hardly candidates to be called the greatest anything of this century.
That show-off thinks he knows everything.
Might want to cover your ears because she's gonna scream at one of those. You know. Who did this?
Ninetales.
Yes. Oh boy. All right, all right.
It won't come out. What's wrong?
Oh, thanks. Wait, this can't happen. Okay, I can take care of this. I'll just bring out my fifth Pokemon. You can handle it. Oh, get out! What's going on here? All right, I'll show him. Why is every Pokemon ahead?
Somebody stop them. Stop the Diglett.
What you got? You know. Somebody the guy donated for you, you know. So it's a gift for you. Hand it to Daddy. He can help you open them up.
Yeah, and unstoppable.
All right.
I'll take one for you.
As long as they're underground, I'm gonna use Squirtle. I choose you.
Oh, you know, this is going to be one of your favorites. The Cersei Park. The one that you tried to find Pikachu from.
It almost came out.
They won't come out. For some reason, the Pokemon don't want to battle the Diglett.
Why would
I like you want Daddy to open them up for you too, so he can see what you got.
that right, Pikachu?
Hold on. Daddy got a better idea.
Diglett can pull their heads in at 186,282 miles per second.
What's that?
The speed of light. Diglett aren't very strong, but they can move super fast.
Wow, you've been studying.
Ready to go, you know?
Yeah, I've been studying, unlike you. Well, that's it. I'm gone. Look, since no one's Pokemon will come out and battle, there's no reason for
Alrighty, let's see what she got. Oh, smart. Okay.
I, on the other hand, must continue my journey to become a Pokemon master.
Okay.
Hasta la vista, Poke people!
Okay.
Come on, fans, get in the car and let's hit the road, shall we?
I don't like him.
Girls, those numbers?
Whoa! What she got?
Something doesn't feel quite right.
Oh, she got Starmie.
Got into this place for free, didn't we?
No, it's not that.
What is she?
I can't understand why the Pokemon wouldn't come out of their Pokeballs.
Got a Palkia. Nice, Yuna. Way to go. That is awesome. That's amazing, Yuna.
Get you. Get you. Some principle of
Franco?
It says here.
You like Franco, huh?
Certain degree of experience.
That why you're excited? That's cool.
experience is nothing but losing.
But here's something to think about. When they finally do evolve, Pokemon become
That's
entirely
cool.
different Pokemon. And we've known Ekans for so long.
Coughing too.
How could we ever
Yeah.
Evolve them.
Latino?
This is ancient.
Just happens to be now.
That's cool. Oh, you got a trainer one. Pasho Berry? Okay. This one too? Nice. Like I said, you know, I don't know nothing about these cars, okay? I'm already getting them for you. Give me those, silly girl. Trying to act like everybody you watched on video, huh?
Information available.
Oh, now I get it.
You got a different Frago.
Trio's home. Their home? Yeah.
Nice, you're not.
Together. Diglett plows the ground, and Doug Trio plants the trees. And not just here.
Another different Night Tail.
Is their backyard.
Nice.
All of these mountains?
Yeah, maybe. Probably all the forests
Take it,
in
Daddy.
the entire world are.
Beautiful gardens made by these little guys. And I got another one.
If we completed them, this
Got another poke here.
forest would be completely
Nice.
covered with water.
Nice. You know, I think that's the last pack. No? Oh, okay. You know, that's the prismatic evolution you've been trying to get.
I guess we humans still have a lot to learn from the ways of the
You've been dying to get a pack like that. So there you go.
This project stands. I won't build it down.
Schneasels?
Well, I think I learned mine.
Nice.
Pikachu.
Black belt.
It's just beginning. To protect the world from devastation.
Unite all peoples.
Watch.
Denounce the evils of
Bear Crown.
Extend our reach to the
Pikachu.
Jesse.
Lop Bunny.
They know the rest.
You got Jolteon.
Rocket. I forgot about them. Sorry, guys, but we're not good enough for you right now, okay?
But we're in a good enough mood for everyone.
Yes, and we never even had lunch. But now.
Nice, you're not one of your favorite.
A treat with a
Way to go, kiddo.
exciting new flavor.
For the first time on TV.
We're proud to present
Our new Pokemon.
our
Alright, you know. Last pack.
And coughing is now wheezing.
Arbok maximum power.
Oh, we can handle this, right? Charmander! Squirtle! Bulbasaur!
Cottony, okay.
Guess what I got? Guess what I got?
What did you get, baby?
Guess!
I don't know. What did you get? Glaceon. Way to go, sweetheart. Well, you're gonna have to wait till you keep up your good grades to get more, alright?
Okay. Thank you.